Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Today friends, I will let you know how to make this beautiful flower shaped airpod cover, which is super easy to make and it also comes out really beautiful. You can use this as a small pocket purse. So let's start friends. First of all, we will make a magic ring. Then we will make 2 chains. After that we will make 15 double crochets in this space. 1 2 3 total we will make 15 double crochets. After making 15 double crochets, we will attach here with the slip stitch. After making slip stitch, we make chain 1. Then we will use another color. With this color we will also make chain 1. Then in each space we will start making 2 double crochets. I will start making 2 double crochets in each space. At the end of this row we will have total 30 double crochets. After making 30 double crochets, we will attach here with the slip stitch. Then we will make chain 1. In first space we will make half double crochet. In next space 2 double crochets. 1 2. In next space yarn over 2 times, 2 triple crochets. In next space again 2 double crochets. One half double crochet and then slip stitch. We have to repeat this pattern of half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 triple crochet, 2 double crochet, half double crochet and slip stitch here total 5 times. One time we have done and we will do 4 more times. We will repeat this pattern. In the last, after attaching with slip stitch, in first space we will make single crochet, then half double crochet in next space. In next 4 spaces, 1 2 3 4, we will make 2 double crochets in each space. After making 2 double crochet in 4 spaces, I will make half double crochet, then single crochet, and in the center slip stitch. On all the 5 petals we will move like this: single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet in 4 spaces, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch. We will complete the row like this. After completing this row, we will, in this space, we will make a single crochet, then this space, and skip the next stitch. We will make 1 single crochet, and after that we will make 2 single crochets in 8 spaces. 1 2 1 2. After making 2 single crochets in 8 spaces, we will make 1 single crochet, then skip 1 space, then make long single crochet, then skip 1 space, and then we will start making the same: 1 single crochet in 8 spaces, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, skip 1, and then 1 long stitch single crochet. We have to complete the row like this only. In the last, we will skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch. Then we will make 35 chains. After making 35 chains, we will attach in the space with the slip stitch, and again 1 more slip stitch, and we will cut the thread. Our 1 flower is ready. Similarly, we have to make the back portion of the flower like this only. After making the similar back portion of the flower, in this space, after attaching with slip stitch, we will make 1 2 3 4 chains, and we will attach it with the slip stitch. You can increase the number of chains if you want, After making both the sides of the flowers, we will keep with long single stitch side outside. Then we will start joining. We will keep this much space empty for putting the things inside, and we will start joining. Like this. And we will keep on joining till the center of this side, and after that our beautiful earpod cover is ready. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please click on the like button and do share it with your friends who are doing crocheting. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe button below. Thank you.